Hey, what's up, smart people? With time, the culture of investing becoming popular in millennials. And to make your investing journey simple and sorted, most of the investment brokers come with their apps in the market. So you can now start and manage all your investments through your phones. And in today's video, I will gonna share my personal favorite apps for investment so you can start from today. Now let's quickly start with the first app, that is Sophie. This is an overall best app for everyone. I can say whether you are a beginner or advanced investor, you can consider using this app. Sophie is a top pick for beginners thanks to an easy to use platform paired with rock bottom pricing. You can get started at Sophie Invest with just $1, and there are no commissions for trades and no recurring account fees. Even the managed portfolio product, where your investments are all pegged and managed for you, is completely free to use. The app includes stocks and ETFs listed by category, making it easy to browse potential investment opportunities. The app doesn't have the most in depth investment research, but there is enough to get you started and guide your research of the app. You can also access investment education articles from inside the app. As an added bonus outside of the app, Sophie offers complimentary financial planning sessions for all members, among other benefits. If you are a beginner and want help putting an investment strategy together, Sophie is an ideal place to start with. Now, as the list goes, I have one another option for you, LA Invest. LA is the same as Sophie in most of the cases. LA is also an overall good app for you. Beginners often do well with simple and straightforward investment platforms. LA Invest offers just that through its mobile app. You can trade stocks and ETFs with no commissions. Mutual fund trades will incur a $9.95 commission fee. There are no recurring fees or minimum balance requirements to worry about. The LA app, which is also used by LA Bank, is straightforward and easy to navigate. It doesn't have as many bells and whistles as some active trading platforms, but it has everything a beginner and most passive investors might need. Only consider this if you want easy to use apps paired with excellent checking and savings accounts. Now, third one in the list, if you are looking for an app for automated investing, Accounts might perform good for you. Accounts is an investment app for people who know they should be investing but don't have or want to spend the time to manage it themselves. For $1 per month, Accounts will take care of everything. That includes automatically investing, spare change through transaction roundups, automated transfers, and a fully automated investment plan. The big upside of Accounts is that it's so easy to use. The big downside is that there is a fee no matter what. While $1 per month doesn't sound like much, when you have a relatively low account balance, that's a big percentage. If you have a $100 balance, $1 per month, if you have a $100 balance, $1 per month is more than 10% per year. For additional accounts and features, including retirement accounts, you will have to pay $3 or $5 a month. Charges are a little bit high for me in this app. Only consider this if you want hands-off investing experience. So the next one in our list we have is TD Ameritrade. If you are into active trading, Ameritrade will be the best choice for you in my opinion. If you are new to the markets and plan to get into active trading, TD Ameritrade is a good place to start with. It charges no commissions for stocks or ETF trades and offers multiple account platforms that align with various investment styles and goals. When you are just starting out, you will probably feel most comfortable in the main TD Ameritrade app. As your investment skills grow, you can upgrade to Thinkorswim, the premier active trading platform from TD Ameritrade. It has tons of useful features for active traders. Important tip for beginners: there's a feature to chat with an expert trader inside of Thinkorswim. Now, one important thing to note is that TD Ameritrade has agreed to an acquisition by Charles Schwab. That means TD Ameritrade accounts will likely turn into Charles Schwab accounts in the near future. However, Schwab has announced its plan to keep Thinkorswim in its product lineup going forward. Only consider this if you want multiple different trading experiences and goals. Last one is the most popular option among youngsters because there is no commission, no charges for the basic account. If you are in search of something with no charges Robinhood should be your first opinion. Robinhood is a pioneer in the no commission brokerage model. It remains a solid choice for beginners as they can invest in stocks, ETFs, and options with zero commissions. Typical stock and ETF investors will be able to use Robinhood with no cost at all, though premium accounts are available with more features for a monthly fee starting just at $5. Robinhood has been at the center of controversies over downtime and how some users have been able to enter extremely risky trades that they didn't even understand. As with any investment app, it's important for Robinhood traders to understand the risk of what they are doing so they can invest in line with their goals and avoid any unexpected losses. Robinhood charges $5 per month for its premium accounts. Consider this if you want to invest in a wide range of stocks and ETFs. So this is all about the best investing apps available in today's market. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. And if you have any kind of questions and suggestions for the channel, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and have a nice day.